In the world of motocross, there are legends, and then there are those who refuse to fade away. Since 2005, Suzuki's RM-Z450 has been a staple of the big bike class. A quiet contender, often overshadowed by more aggressive rivals, but never truly gone. And now, in 2025, Suzuki is back with the RM-Z450 ready to reclaim its place at the top. But this isn't just a new version of the same bike. This is the 2025 RM-Z450, and it's bringing everything you loved about Suzuki's DNA, and more than you could ever imagine. Before we dive into the 2025 model, let's talk about the RM-Z450 legacy. For years, Suzuki's 450 has been the choice of riders who value precision, stability, and agility over raw, brute force. Its key strength has always been that perfect blend of agility and control, especially in the corners. But where the competition has gone all in on power or innovation, Suzuki has been more measured, focused on refinement, focused on consistency. In 2025, that consistency is what gets a bold upgrade. Suzuki has brought its A-game to the RM-Z450, and trust us, you'll feel it the second you fire up the motor. At the core of the new 2025 RM-Z450, Suzuki is sticking with its 449 cubic centimeter, liquid-cooled DOHC 4-stroke engine, but with some serious tweaks. The engine now gets a new high-compression piston, a more efficient exhaust system, and a fully reworked fuel injection system. What does all this mean for performance? Let's break it down. The new ECU mapping is more precise than ever, giving riders instant throttle response and improved fuel efficiency. The power delivery is silky smooth, especially in the low and mid-range, where you feel the bike just roll through corners with minimal effort. This is the 450th that doesn't just punch, it pushes with authority. And let's be clear, the 2025 RM-Z450 is no slouch in the power department. We're talking a 52 horsepower monster that's capable of putting down serious numbers on the track. It's all about usable power, less snap, more control. You get that massive torque, but it comes on progressively, which means you're always in control. What Suzuki has really done here is refine the power band so that riders can confidently keep it pinned through rough spots without worrying about the bike getting too out of hand. But there's another massive update here that'll make experienced riders sit up straight. The new 6-speed transmission. Suzuki's gone with a more track-friendly ratio that lets you shift with precision. That extra gear gives you the flexibility to handle different tracks and terrain without the engine feeling too buzzy in those higher RPMs. It's one of those updates that you didn't know you needed until you've ridden it. Now let's talk about the suspension. For 2025, Suzuki has completely reworked the Showa coil spring forks with updated valving, and the rear gets a retuned linkage system. This allows for better front-to-rear balance and smoother handling over rough terrain. Where some bikes get a little skittish when the track gets gnarly, the RM-Z450 glides through with ease. Suzuki's done some great work on the chassis here too. The new frame is both lightweight and rigid, giving you the stability you need when you're hitting those high-speed straightaways, while still maintaining that legendary Suzuki agility when you're weaving through corners. It's a serious improvement over previous years, where the bike would sometimes feel a little too twitchy or slow to respond. And let's not forget the brakes. Suzuki's new Brembo front calipers provide insane stopping power. Whether you're coming into a corner too hot or scrambling to make that last-minute adjustment in midair, these brakes give you full confidence to throw the bike around, knowing you can get it stopped when you need to. At 244 pounds wet, the RM-Z450 is right in the middle of the class. It's not the lightest, but it feels just right when you're tackling technical sections or going for that big jump. The low center of gravity ensures the bike remains stable, but also super responsive when you want to get aggressive. Now here's the twist. Suzuki has done something nobody expected. For the first time ever, the 2025 RM-Z450 comes with an exclusive Smart Ride mode that can be adjusted via a smartphone app. This isn't some gimmicky feature. It actually changes the power delivery based on the track and weather conditions. Rainy day? No problem. Muddy conditions. The app adjusts the throttle curve so you can still maintain smooth control power. In addition to this, Suzuki's Whole Shot Assist is back, now with a more intuitive auto-tuning feature that gives you just the right amount of power on the start line, no matter the track conditions. And if you're worried about the tech, don't. Suzuki has kept it simple, no overcomplication, just smarter, more efficient technology that helps you focus on what matters: the ride. In terms of looks, the RM-Z450 stays true to its bold Suzuki yellow, with sleek graphics that add a modern touch to the iconic design. The ergonomics are designed to give you a more natural riding position, with updated foot pegs, handlebars, and a more contoured seat. It's comfortable, functional, and definitely built for long hours of riding. So what's the verdict on the 2025 Suzuki RM-Z450? It's not a game changer. It's not a radical rethinking of the 450 class. What it is, though, is a refined weapon, designed to give riders the edge they've been looking for. The RM-Z450 of 2025 takes everything Suzuki has been known for: precision, control, stability, and ups the ante. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, this bike feels like it was designed with you in mind. This is the 2025 Suzuki RM-Z450. If you're looking for the bike that blends consistency with raw power, gives you agility with precision, and takes on the track like no other, then this machine just might be calling your name. For more reviews, breakdowns, and everything in the world of motocross, stay tuned to Acer Rider. Until next time, keep your throttle wide open.